Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I had exams so I couldn't make videos. So thanks for waiting. Today we are going to make the astronaut and the glider from this Lego set. You can watch the full video after you watch this video. So let's start making the astronaut. Now I want to show you a magic trick. So at the snap of my fingers, everything will break into pieces. So in 3, 2, 1. Done. See, I'm such a good magician. So let us start the astronaut. Now it's done. So at the behind there is a jetpack, and he can also move in various ways. I just accidentally broke. This is the flag which will be on the moon. It can move here and there. So let us break this again by my magic trick and make the glider. In 3, 2, 1. Now it's done again. So let us start making the glider. can move these wings up and down. We can move this, and we can also move this up and down. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe.